to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Now, today I'm going to be talking about a video that has recently surfaced. And that video is of the March triple murder in Hanover. 7 people were shot, 3 of them lose their life. At first, there was no video, but then it eventually make its way into the public. And in the video, you can see just how 87s not check for nobody's life. I'm not going to talk about it. But before I'm going any further, I want to send 2 shout out to them. 2 of them are married people thing. The first one is a birthday shout out to none other than Tommy G. I don't know, this one's coming straight from your husband Dre. You know say, him love you to the moon and back. And those are theme words. I know why you think say me add on nothing or take off. Exactly what Dre say. So big up yourself, Tommy. The second one is actually a birthday and an anniversary in a one. The birthday is for Sherwin and the anniversary is for my wife, Chrisann. So a 2 gift in a one day. So Sherwin, Chrisann, Tommy, big up on yourself. Anyone today. Live long and prosper. See? Bless up. Now make a move into the video. So in March, there was a triple murder in Hanover. 4 other people pick up rounds, 7 in total. When they make you most people get shot, you might think say 87s are used something like a Uzi and just a spray rounds all over the place. Well now, we have the video and we can see at least a few clips as to what went down. In the video, you see 87s actually target people. Out of nowhere, one turn up, shoot a man at the back of his head. By the time the man dropped back away, his life was already gone. Instant death. Then, them start run down people because it's like a mini mart and people are buy drinks and they on the spot, so people gather. 87 start run down people and start shoot out of them. That's why so much people get shot. They never come for 7 people. Them want to send a signal. Not just shoot the man, right, who have the business place, but them want to make other people know say, don't go there sir, we're doing a business. By attacking so much people, them turn off every other customer who would ever want to go there sir. That is the nature of these type of attacks. You see people that ride on bike and try to get to it, a man a shoot after them. The 87 look like they having a jolly good time. You see, when people talk about 87s and them shootings, they make it sound like, him never really want to go and because of the pressures of life. In the video, you can clearly see the man enjoy himself. 87s go back on the car and go brag about them killings. And laugh after the victims. Until a time for them go jail or dead. People who they cross the road, the man might run down for go shoot. These are your few 87s. And remember, I covered this when it first happened, but we never have the video. The hit was ordered by one of your favorite JLO's Dan. You named Turbo. He's the leader of the 100 round gang. Police then released some images, so they want people to help them. In the video, you can see them on them clear. Not clear enough where everybody in Jamaica can recognize them. But if you know these people and you watch the video, you can instantly tell say, oh, that's Simon. The owner of them put on camera because they constantly are broken at the business place from me here. And them constantly have thief things and plus when I get threat, so they put up camera. So maybe them camera there might help solve the case. We don't know. And by the way, if you want to watch the video, we put it on Patreon. The link is in the description. But you can also check it out on This Is a Blast and then page, the usual page them, I post them things there. Because like you me describe it, you have to watch it for yourself. You have to see how 87s don't value human life. You have to see how 87s, right? After them shot the man and the man dead, and them start looking new people shot. When they can't find no more new people, then go back and shot the first man who already dead. The man already gone. But he's like, oh, nobody's not there so? Alright, put some more rounds into him. And this all come back to the whole extortion thing. Remember, your favorite leaders are supposed to quote unquote protect the people from these sort of things. Right? Because one of the services that the government is supposed to provide is protection. But if you think government can protect you in scenarios like this, link me to a unicorn. How do I protect you in a gun attack? Explain to me. I'm curious. Everybody knows I'm not that bright when I really go to school. So maybe there's a scenario where I not think of. Gunman, in our mini-mart, I look for people to kill. Am I ready for a shot? And am I come towards you now? I want to know how the government is going to help you in a situation. I mean, help me understand it. Because I'm struggling. Just like how I struggle with 2 plus 2. Right? And my ABCs are the same way I struggle to understand how the government can help you in a situation. Because remember, you don't need any kind of self-protection. The government is there to protect you. And as we know, right, I'm putting on my sarcasm hat now, as we know, the Jamaican government, current, past, are excellent at protecting the everyday citizen. Correct? Do you have on your sarcasm hat too? Because never on mine. If it's one thing we know, is that the government of Jamaica, current and past, are excellent at protecting the everyday man and woman, right? Their track record is glorious, extraordinary. People that will lose them life were Omar Mahabi, Michael Smith, and Mark Astin. As me say, 4 other people pick up rounds. Now, before the video end, let's have a reason about reasons. I'm going to say this right now. Reasons are overrated. The only time people care about the reason is when time in nothing to do them. You don't care about the reason when it happened to you. 87 run down our house, shoot the pit to them, lock the grill with them own padlock and then burn down the house. Kill everybody in it. Them tell us, well, we have to understand why these things happen. There's reasons. Them tell you that because them know, say, there is no likely scenario of them ever facing it. And because of that, them can tell you about reasons all day. But they wouldn't care about reasons if they were under attack. Reasons are overrated. Everybody have a reason. Who cares about your reason? You see, me go show in our society is hypocritical when it comes on 87s and murderers, who we know say Jamaican society love like cook food. But listen to this right now. Your favorite human rights group who say them love woman and protect woman will tell you say there is no justification for a man putting his hand on a woman. In other words, there's no reason on earth why a man should ever just put his hand on a woman. That is to say, box or thumb. But if that woman was to get killed by 87, then tell us say, well, we must understand why he did this. There's reasons behind you killing people. Hold on. There is a hard line drawn, right, for something like domestic abuse. There is no reason and it's unacceptable. But if you go beyond box and kick and murder, then the same work to be said, well, we have to understand why these things happen. So no reasons matter. And one time I first covered this story, I made some statements and people say, you can't say that, you can't say that. Alright, unicorn buyer. One day, we might just see. But I'm telling you, sir, them things that can go on. Business place can burn down and people lose them life, and the gangs that do it still exist because of who them attack. Now the government will tell us, say, we treat all acts of criminality the same. And it doesn't matter whether you have one stall or a big 5,000 room hotel, we will treat the matter. That's what they may tell you. But that's the unicorn meat. That's why in the Klansman trial it was so disappointing when time I hear say, even though the person who collect the money at the end of the day, the person who them carry the money go give, even if that person testify and say him is the one where say no to collect the money, the law ever tell you say that's still not enough. That cannot meet the standard. No case. But as me say, the video is out there. I'm release some pictures. Make you see if nothing can come out of this. I wouldn't get my hopes up if I were you, right? Because I've seen the ball drop a much easier case than this. But at least them have some kind of evidence, and if something can come out of it, then that would be great. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.